Hello beautiful! This is the first travel video on this channel. I do have more like basic travel videos coming out on my vlog channel. That will be linked below if you're interested. So I think the most easiest thing to start with is the crystals. What crystals I'm going to bring? Black tourmaline. Now this is a protective stone. It kind of absorbs negative energy and kind of doesn't let negative energy affect your field and your energy. So I think this would be my ultimate stone if I could take any. And then with that, any kind of black opaque stone is really kind of protective. So this is shungite and I wear it to protect me from EMF waves and sort of energies that can affect me physically. Probably won't wear this every day, but it'll be something that I will wear probably under my clothes if I'm feeling a little bit anxious. And then finally I have this ring which is black onyx, and I know a lot of people use this exactly the same way I use black tourmaline, and obviously I can wear this constantly, so I probably will keep this on pretty much all the time. The black opaque stones are the top priority for me. They make me feel really safe and at least they just give me peace of mind. So if you've seen many other crystal videos in my channel, you may have seen my moldavite. If you don't know much about moldavite, I will put my video in the eye, but it's a very, very powerful crystal for manifesting, for getting you what you want, for giving you your dream reality and what's meant to be for you and giving you that now, like removing every obstacle, things like that. So it's a very, very chaotic stone. Sometimes with moldavite, it doesn't really care to put you in danger or put you in a really uncomfortable position because it helps you grow. So for that reason I will not be wearing this for any time I'm anxious, will not be wearing this traveling, will not be wearing this when I'm exploring or anything like that, just because I want to feel calm, I want to feel comfortable everywhere I'm going. But I feel like I also need to take this moldavite on my trip because it can open up so many doors for me and give me so many amazing opportunities. So when I do feel comfortable enough to wear it, I 2,000,000% will be milking it. So the next big one I'm going to bring is rose quartz. Now rose quartz makes me feel calm. It's quite like a homey stone. We've had rose quartz in the home ever since I was really, really tiny, so it's always given me the sense of security, kind of really grounded me and given me that root chakra sense. It's not typically associated with that, but it really gives all that for me, makes me feel really, really calm. I have this rose quartz necklace, but I also have this tumblestone version of rose quartz which I'll probably keep in my bag all the time. This will fit even in the teeniest tiniest bags or in a jacket pocket or a jeans pocket. But yeah, the calm kind of, I like the sense of self-love that it gives me. Like I feel like I'm whole, and I feel like if I'm traveling alone I'm really gonna need that to sort of boost my spirits and boost my energy. And then finally I do like to have crystals with me whilst I sleep, and I have this angel which I have next to my bed all the time, and I was kind of getting ready to pack all my stuff and I saw this one and I felt very drawn to bring it with me, so I'm going to take my rose quartz angel as well to keep with me, and will look after me whilst I'm sleeping. So love that. But she'll probably go in my suit. She'll probably come in my carry-on with me. And then I just felt really, really drawn to pick these last couple crystals. And again, it's that energy that I might not want every single day. So I've got a couple miscellaneous ones. So I've got some citrine, little tumblestone, and I've kind of packed this the same reason I've packed fool's gold or pyrite. So I'll keep these together. These are very good fortune manifestation stones. You've been manifesting and then you go somewhere different. There's, like I said with the moldavite, there's different opportunities. There's so much more coming to you. And if I bring them with me, they might kind of help it come to fruition in an unexpected way. Also going to bring this richulated quartz. So originally when I got this, I used it for like giving me energy and giving me focus and kind of like not wasting time or taking my life for granted. That's the sense this stone gave me. And I honestly haven't really connected with it in the past couple of years, but I feel like with jet lag, with kind of staying in my comfort zone, like I want to kind of really live in this moment on this trip and whilst I'm traveling, so I feel like this would be a good stone. So I'm very much a person, which I say in almost every video, I like things which are low effort, big outcome, big impact. So anything I see or read, I will believe and I will try, and I will keep with me until it stops working. So I recently found out that your fingers, your hands, connect to different planets and the energy of different planets. The middle finger is meant to link to Jupiter, and when you wear, or is it Saturn? But when you wear rings, especially crystal rings on your middle finger, it creates a lot of chaos. But yeah, so All my rings will be worn like this, definitely none on my middle finger whilst I'm travelling. I'm a big believer in evil eye, and you know, I've planned this trip for so long. I'm going to be putting it on my social media. So I got a little jewellery set, and I actually got multicoloured evil eye, which protects you against lots of different things. This is a little bracelet, and this is the choker that goes with it. But yeah, I feel like this is something I will have on me all the time. I always wear this evil eye earring here. Evil eye, if you know, it's meant to be broken, so it's meant to absorb that energy and break so that it doesn't impact you. The last couple things are a bit more kind of things you'd have to do, and it's almost like a bit of a ritual. Really trying to harness your intuition and grow it before you go on your trip. So I was really lucky enough, we just had the Jubilee weekend and I did a whole chakra cleanse. I mean, I wasn't sort of taught a lot about this growing up, so I kind of found my own ways to make myself feel more intuitive, and balancing my chakras was definitely one of those. Going with that, so if there's a certain scenario where I feel that I'm not very connected and I can't really feel my intuition, it doesn't feel very strong, then that's when I'll wear lapis lazuli. So I've got this pendant, which I'll link below, and this ring. So these kind of really help me with my intuition, and like I said, when I'm feeling disconnected, I'll pop these on and I'll feel that bit more safe. And just, you know, like really kind of trust your gut feelings, don't deviate from it, you know, it's there for a reason. I'm gonna take some tarot cards. But yeah, if I'm not feeling very connected, my intuition isn't working very well, something feels a bit off, this will tell me why. But also the opposite, so like if I feel like something's going really well and I'm stuck at a crossroad, like what path do I take? You know, again, I don't want to miss out opportunities whilst I'm away, so this is what I'll be taking. So I've got one more thing to show you which I'll be bringing, and then one more thing to show you which I will be doing, which I'm really strangely excited about. But anyhow, the first one is these oils. I wear them, I put them in my bath, things like that. I want to bring opportunities to me if it's possible. So I've got this Millionaire Magical Oil, which obviously has a lot of financial benefits, so 100% will bring this when I'm travelling. And also I have this road opening oil, which I think would be really cool. You know, I'm going to be doing a lot of social media work whilst I'm away as well, and you know, who knows what could happen. Okay, so I've been talking an awful bloody lot, but last thing which I'm going to be doing for this trip is using runes. So something which I found really cool is you can use runes when doing your makeup or doing your skincare. You can draw runes on you with whatever you're putting on your face, and then you can like then rub in your foundation, then rub in your skincare, pat it in, so you've got that rune on you. I've also just started Shadow Hunters, which is probably why I'm really excited to do this. But this is a rune symbol for protection, so it's like a little fork, a little ostrich foot, and I will be using this in my skincare, in my makeup, like any opportunity I can to get this on me, I will. Yeah, that is everything like spiritual wise which I'm planning on taking and doing on this trip. But I thought it was a really cool video to see. Like, I haven't actually seen this on YouTube. I think it's really interesting, and I got really excited to pack all this stuff, and I kind of wanted to get the excitement out in another way. So thank you for watching, if you got to this point in the video, because you've helped me kind of express my excitement for all of this. And yeah, I feel like I'm solid. I feel like I'm protected, I'm going to be calm, I'm going to be safe, like I'm going to have all the energy that I need with me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If no one's told you lately, I'm super proud of you. I love you so much, and I will see you when I next see you. Okay. Oh, if you have any other tips or anything, please leave them below, because I don't go on my trip for another couple of days, and it'd be cool to see what you say, and you know, if people don't resonate with what I've said, they might resonate with what you say, so